Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Dacia. It's a 2014 model. It's a stepway model, so it has quite a few extras. So this isn't our normal type of car that we deal with. We've actually taken this in part exchange from a local retired gentleman who needed to have a diesel because he was going to go and start travelling abroad. He's got an apartment abroad and he wanted to drive. So really, for the price of this thing, they really are value for money when you compare them to the type of cars we normally sell. So it's got full service history, all of them been Dacia apart from one. It's got both keys, it's HPI clear. It'll be sold with 12 months MOT and a warranty. It's got both sets of keys. And I think really for the age of the car, it really is quite clean, really. He's really looked after it. Really nice spec on these as well, quite a lot for your money. So it's got multifunction steering wheel. Mileage has just turned 76,000. You get cruise control, sat nav, phone prep, music streaming, parking sensors, aircon. Really, they are quite spacious inside. You have quite a lot of room. Cheap running costs with them. Say a lot of the details will be on the ad. This video is really just so you can see what it looks like. There will be a lot of photos on our advert as well, and we don't edit any of our photos or Photoshop them, so they are exactly as the car looks. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just drop us an email or give us a ring. We do viewing by appointment. Thanks for watching.